In this video, I will show you how to get the month number from the month name in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have some month names in this column. Now I want to get the month numbers from these month names. For example, for the month of January, I want to get 1 as the month number, 2 for the month of February, 3 for the month of March, and so on. To get the month number from a month name, we can use the Excel month function. The month function returns the month number of the specified date. It accepts only one argument, which is a valid Excel date. For example, this month formula will return the month number 1 for the month of January, while this month formula will return 12 for the month of December. We can also specify the date string as the argument of the month function like this. The month function requires us to provide a valid Excel date, but we have only a month name. This problem can be solved by creating a date string that can be identified as a valid date by the month function. To convert month name to month number, I am going to append a day number to the month name so that the month function can identify that as a valid date. Let's type an equal sign in the target cell to start the formula. Now type month followed by an opening bracket. Select the cell containing the month name. Type the ampersand sign followed by the number 1. Type the closing bracket of the month function. Here I have joined the number 1 with the month names to create strings like January 1, February 1, etc. The month function will recognize the string values as valid dates and will return the month number from it. Hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we now have converted month names to month numbers. This formula to convert month name to month number works fine even if you have short month names like JAN, FEB, etc. instead of full month names like January, February, etc. Watch these videos to learn more Excel tips, tricks, and how-to tutorials. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.